Leaking when coughing, sneezing, or exercising is a sign that your pelvic floor is not managing pressure well. This is called stress urinary incontinence, and it happens when the pressure inside your abdomen pushes downward harder than your pelvic muscles can resist. This can be due to muscle weakness, poor coordination, or even tightness preventing proper closure. A pelvic physiotherapist will assess your core and breathing mechanics, teach you how to engage your pelvic floor correctly, and use targeted strengthening and coordination exercises to help rebuild control. The good news, with the right approach, this condition is highly treatable.